Someone say shopping haul.
Ducky, ducky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Or welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name's Tara. I took myself on a little date yesterday. I went and did a little bit of retail therapy. Today's video, guys, is being filmed on my phone because I just filmed this video on my camera, and the battery life on the Canon G7X Mark II does not last long at all. I have been literally everywhere. So, Lush, Superdrug, Primark, and lastly, Boots. So, I put a little poll on the good old YouTube community and asked you guys what video you'd like to see. So I don't know if you're seeing this first, or you're seeing it second, or you're seeing this makeup look first, or you're watching that second. But I hope you like both videos. If you do, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you get updated every single time that I upload a video, which is twice a week here on my channel. And also give me a thumbs up and comment down in the comments below, because I love talking to you guys. It means the absolute world to me when I'm just chatting away and making friends for life. Which part of the country you were in? I'm in the good old UK. And autumn is definitely here. It was piddling it down yesterday. Bit sunny today, but yeah. Let's get into today's video. So we're going to start off with a little bit of Lush. Now, this is by far my favourite thing from Lush. Look at all that glittery goodness. It's obviously the Snow Fairy. Snow Fairy is back in Lush. It's that time of year, and this is so nostalgic to me. It just brings back so many happy, beautiful memories. So I will always buy Snow Fairy. I do have receipts, so I can tell you how much they are. So this bath bomb was £7 for a bath bomb, guys. £7. And then I have another bath bomb. So I only bought 2 bath bombs from Lush. I'm going to be having a gorgeous bath later, and when I do, I'll pop a little video on screen of how gorgeous this is. I saw Madison Sarah's video the other day, and she picked up this gorgeous, oh my god, my room literally smells of this pumpkin. He is the most gorgeous pumpkin, and she said she only had to have half, so it's going to be really upsetting me cutting him in half just to have a bath, but I'm really feeling like I want a bath later, so I'll be using this. Next one we're going to go into is Superdrug. I do have a few things in here that I picked up from Boots a couple of weeks ago, but I want to show you them because I am obsessed with them, guys. I've been using them to death, but I don't have the receipts for these ones because I bought them ages ago. So I'm talking about the Inculus. Oh my god, I am literally, I don't know why I slept on this brand. Oat Cleansing Milk Balm. The Oat Cleanser Balm, which is fantastic. It is as close to me as what I would say as the Elemis Cleansing Balm, but a fraction of the price of the Elemis. I think the Elemis is like 40 something pounds. I think this one was about 13 or 14 pounds. I'll put it up on screen how much it was, but oh my god, this is incredible. And then I also picked up the fulvic acid cleanser. I can't say what that says, but I'll put it up here now. But yeah, this stuff is gorgeous. So it helps brighten the skin and gently removes makeup. So I'll use this one first. So this one removes your makeup and cleanses sensitive skin. So I'll use this first, and then I'll go in with a second cleanse and use this, and my skin has been looking flawless. I then, before makeup, I will put on this. So before makeup, I put this on, and this is their caffeine eye cream. Oh my god. Am I upside down? This is their caffeine eye cream from Inculus. It helps reduce the appearance of tired eyes. This makes me look awake every single day. It is such a beautiful product. Then went into Boots, and in Boots, is the full face of the makeup brand that I've done this look with. So a little bit of a teaser, unless you've seen it already, if I put it up before this video, because I don't know which one you guys have voted for, so it's a good win. But yeah, this is a full bag of the makeup that I'm wearing today. Can you guess what brand it is? Then also from Boots, I picked up the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I've been hearing about this like so much and I wanted to give it a go. So let's give it a go, shall we? Oh, it smells beautiful. It's a really nice fine mister. I'm gonna love that. I then also picked up the Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner. This is everything. Everyone talks about the Morphe Sweet Tea. I can never get my hands on it. A very autumn caramel colour. Superdrug. I picked up my favourite vitamin E, this is more of a skincare setting spray. So I normally spray this at night after I've done all my skincare. So it's their vitamin E skincare by Superdrug. It's their hydrating mist. Loads of people raving about this on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. It's the Studio London by Superdrug and it's their You Matter Setting Mist, a lightweight max fixer. This one by Barry M. This one, everyone raves about it. So it's the Fresh Face Matte Setting Spray with niacinamide. And then the last thing from Superdrug is this from e.l.f. So I've been seeing this quite a lot. Loads of people have been talking about it. It's the Enhancing Lash and Brow Serum. So I'm trying to grow my lashes and my brow. And my brow hair. I then nipped into the Body Shop because I needed some more of my Himalayan charcoal mask. I saw Soph Does Live use this years ago and I love it. The hype is real. So it's the Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. You get 75 mils in this. It is a bit steep for a mask. It's £20, but this tub will last me months. I then bought some hand cream from the Body Shop. This was £7 and it's their pink grapefruit hand cream basically. I absolutely love the pink grapefruit range. So before we get into the Primark, there's one little product that I picked up. So this is from Pixie and it was in TK Maxx. It's their Matte Last Liquid Lip and I got it in Berry Beauty. And oh my God, when I tell you, this is going to be my autumn/winter lip combination. Wow, what a gorgeous autumn lip. I love it. I absolutely love that. So the kind lady put a few things in like little bags for me because some of them were breakables and obviously I was walking. So obviously you guys know we've got a new caravan. So I picked up these mugs. How gorgeous. They look a little bit like a pumpkin style mug, but I bought me one and Tony one. These were £3 each. I then picked up these because you guys know what I'm like for my buddies. I have them literally all over the house. So I saw this little Buddha and I thought this would look gorgeous, you know, on the TV stand in the living room with a little candle in. Thought they would look gorgeous and these were £1.50 each. A scrunchie, so I did have two of these scrunchies but Tony needed one last night, so I got a pink one and a white one and they were £2, so £1 each for a scrunchie. Obviously I can't go into Primark and not pick up some face masks, guys. So these are their pound range of face masks. So I've got the Revitalise Glow and Protect Turmeric Sheet Mask. Stunning. I've got their Soothing Niacinamide Sheet Mask. And then I've got their Moisturising Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask. Gorgeous. I then picked up some of these bobby pins because please tell me where all the bobby pins go, because I buy a pack and they just literally disappear. So I bought this pack here and they were £1. I then picked up some of their setting spray. Now If you guys are OGs, you will know that my favourite setting spray from Primark was their setting water spray. It was gorgeous. It was like £2, £2.50. They don't do that no more. They haven't done it for ages. And then I saw this. I was going to do like a full face of Primark makeup, but their Primark the makeup wasn't giving. I'd tried some in the past and it was the same stuff. I've never, it wasn't like it had changed much. But if you guys do want to see a Primark full face of makeup, when I go to Foss Park or something, they might have different stock or whatever. If you do, then let me know down below and we'll do that video shortly. So this is their PS Prep and Protect refreshing setting spray. It's got aloe vera, niacinamide. You get 100 ml in this, so it's pretty good, decent bottle. It's handbag size, you could travel size or whatever. It's definitely giving me the MAC vibes with the Studio Fix Plus. It's £5, so it's not exactly cheap for Primark. Everything's up inflation, isn't it? So yeah, it was £5 for a setting spray. I'm all good for setting sprays for a while, guys. And I've also got my Urban Decay on the way as well. That's in transit. So if you guys saw my empties video not long ago, I was raving about a product that I got from Primark. And if I ever saw it in there again, I would buy it. And guess what? It was in there, guys. It was in there. So, of course, I'm talking about their body butter, hydrating and nourishing blood orange body butter. Oh my god, this is like a dupe for my pink grapefruit Body Shop moisturizer, body yogurt. I went into Body Shop, as you guys know, because I've shown you a couple of products, and I was a bit disappointed because, one, the packaging of my pink grapefruit has changed. It's in a little black pot, which doesn't give it the same vibe. And it's about yay big, and they wanted £14 for it. For £6, got 2 pots, so £3 each, and they smell exactly the same. So thank you, Primark. I've got some new pajamas. So guys, I got a gorgeous new dressing gown. How gorgeous is she? 3/4 length, so it covers my bum. But oh my god, I can't wait to have my bath in a bit and just lie in this. I got some slippers to go with. I went with a grey. They did have them in the baby pink, but I went with the grey because I thought it would go with the dressing gown a little bit more. These were £5.50 and I get them in the size 5 to 6 in the UK, 5 to 6. And then the last thing I got, guys, were these Victoria's Secret-esque pajamas. They're silky pajamas, long leg. They do have pockets for my mobile to go in, or snacks or whatever, but yeah, those are the bottoms, and it is definitely giving me Victoria's Secret vibes. Stunning, guys, isn't she stunning? And these were, I got them in a large, and these were £19. So I can't wait to go and have my bath, get in my nice comfy pajamas and put on a horror movie, because I'm doing 31 days of Halloween horror movies throughout of October. Obviously only when I'm off work, so I'm doing it the 31 days as best as I can. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this haul, guys. I love doing these hauls. I love watching people's hauls, seeing what they get. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled for my channel, because I have got a few more things coming that I ordered online. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a massive thumbs up if you have. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell to be updated every single time that I upload a video, which is twice a week here on my channel. And I will see you in the next one, guys. I love you so, so much. Thank you all for your love and support. Without you guys, my channel would be nothing. So I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I love you so, so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye.
Lucky, lucky.